What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel here at Gus Collects. I know it's been a while, but it's only been 1 week. And today we are back with some NFT pack openings. That's right. Funime Cosplay Series 2 was out yesterday. I picked up 3 premium packs and 3 standard packs. Let's see what we pull. No mythic pack this time around. Last year was their first time they had their first mythic pack ever. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the redeemables. We have 6 redeemables, which one is the Grail, one is the Royalty, and 3 legendaries. It wasn't a sold out drop. They were about a 50% burned. So that means we have limited items, more limited items, like lower piece counts, which is good on my end. But yeah, let's check it out. Here we have Funko Presents Funime and Cosplay. This is the Grail. Let's shop or view physicals. As you can see, like I said, we have 6 awesome redeemables. I really want to collect the whole set, and I hope we're able to pull, a few of them on the legend on the packs. But here we have Nekomech Franny as the Grail, 999 pieces. Pretty epic. Right here we have Idol Franny, a legendary. Here we have Spirit Candle Franny, Yokai Crown Freddy, Ronin Freddy. I believe they had a Franny last year in this similar mold or style, I meant. And this one, Ultimate Freddy and Proto Meg. This is legit pretty cool. The fact that you have Little Freddy inside a Proto Meg. But let's go ahead and open up these packs. I hope I'm able to go ahead and pick up at least a few redeemables on this awesome drop. Oh look, the tokens just got released for My Dark Valentine. I got the royalty, which is cool. All right, let's see where we at. So we're gonna open up one premium, one standard, one premium, one standard. So let's look for a premium. Let's do this one right here. And sound is on. Let's go. Check it out. So like I said, it wasn't a sold out drop, which was lower piece counts. And that's good in the collector community. Let's reveal. Uncommon Ronin Freddy. Common. Oh my god, that was a freaking royalty. I mean, a legendary or redeemable. Common. Uncommon. Common. Rare. Rare. Fun Force Franny. Epic. Pretty cool. Rare. Another rare. Okay, epic. Not bad. Not bad. Common. Frugman. Common. Fun Force Proto. Rare. Michiyaki. Common Token Head. Common Mikiyaki. And then common Tokai Crown Freddy. Not bad. Not bad for the first pack. Now let's go to a standard pack, which is this one here. Here we go. Let me know in the comment sections if you guys picked up some packs. And then if you did, let me know if you got any redeemables. All right, a coin. Series coin. There we go. Ramen Freddy. Oh, Franny. Sorry. Uncommon Token Head. Rare Fun Force Franny. Ramen Franny. It's like less drops for anime or Funime Freddy Funko Ramen, which I still got to pick up. Yeah, not a good pack. We got 4 more to go. Oh, look at this one. 818 out of 17 or 15,000 packs. Reveal another coin. Perfect. Let's do this. Common, 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 common. Namamis. Rare. Common. Oh, I dropped my light. There we go. Common. I hate this. Wow. No, mames. Are you kidding me? Last one. Last one. Here we go. Great. Nice. Nice pack right here. Very nice. All right, let's go. Standard. Let's open these up. Wow. Are we just gonna keep doing this? I guess we are. Wow. All right. Last two packs. Here we go. Reveal. Another coin. Epic. It's got noise. Epic Fun Force Random. Cool. Ronan Freddy. Common. Honestly, this is BS. Wow. Wow. Very upsetting. But I guess, oh my god. Thank you. At least something. Wow. Creepy. God, thank God. Ronan Freddy, uncommon, uncommon, and a common. Got 1 out of 6. Last pack magic, standard pack. Please give it to me. Common, common, uncommon, epic, and common. Well, that was really, really bad on this drop. Let's go ahead and see where we're at in our tracker. So, one legendary, can't complain, I guess. It's a gamble. You won't get guaranteed on any redeemables. Looks like I need 2 more commons. Out of all those commons I got, I still need 2 more. Wow. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 uncommons, a few rares, and 6 more epics to complete the royalty sets. And we got Spirit Candle Franny. Looks like it wasn't a good drop for me. I'm gonna try to collect all the other redeemables on my end and buy them on the secondary market. Packs are kind of higher than regular drop prices, like if you buy them on the secondary market. So I'm not gonna try to get any packs. But that was it for today's NFT pickup pack openings. Let me know if you guys picked up some packs, and then if so, what did you guys get? Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, ring that bell for notifications on future content, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Peace. But as I was saying, I was going to go ahead and purchase some of the cards or legendaries, redeemables on the secondary market, but We do have a great community with Slapshot Pops, and one of the members, Stefan, was selling some of the redeemables for a really great price. As you can see, I got the Grail and two more other legendaries. So thank you so much for that, Stefan. I really appreciate it for looking out on the community. But yeah, definitely got the Idol Franny here. Another redeemable, and he also sold me Yokai Crown Freddy, another redeemable, and the Grail, guys, for a really good price. I cannot believe I have one more and I'll be complete with this set, obviously after the royalty. But thank you so much, Stefan. I really appreciate you looking out and selling me these items.